If I have 99 problems, a good staycation can solve 100 of them. Just kidding. I just came back from a staycation and this video is a glimpses from my staycation. For staycation, we went to Bharatpur and I have been Bharatpur before as well. I have made an entire playlist about my staycation in Bharatpur. Link is in the description. Make sure you do check it out. In Bharatpur, we had a stay in Uday Villa Hotel and we woke up early the next day to go to the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, and here are a few pictures that I captured from my phone. The reason why we chose places like Bharatpur Sanctuary or the Tiger Reserve is because me and my parents are always so drawn towards nature, and living in a hustle city like Delhi makes us so relaxing. Even the thought of being at the bird sanctuary makes me feel so relaxing, and hence we chose these places. After spending like 3.5 hours or 4 hours in the bird sanctuary, we went straight to Sariska Tiger Reserve. The irony is, this decision was so impulsive. Entire plan or the decision, even going to the staycation, was so impulsive in nature. This is the only impulsive decision which I have no regrets for. In conclusion, it was impulsive yet logical choice. I hope you like this video. This was a small pocket of staycation which I had. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.